Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. I traded this one today. From a disclosure perspective, I don't own any shares right now, so I am, like I said, have no position in it, but I will definitely be watching it tomorrow. So we'll see if it can remain volatile. So this is definitely more so kind of me just talking to myself, and these will be the levels that I'll be watching. First key level though that stands out as far as supports are concerned, right down here at $5.50. That first opening 30 minutes occurred. Price pulled back, found some support right there. In the very near term, I mean, this level right here at the 585 mark is going to be another key level. So if anything, maybe the best way to probably put it is just kind of call it a support zone here from 585 down to 550. As I'm not saying the price is headed down below there. My point is that because of that first 30 minutes and how big of a move it was, if that the support zone here fails, then there is quite a bit of space down here. Where I'm not saying the price is headed straight down to $4 or below, but there just isn't any sort of, you look back here, there aren't any other, areas of, potential levels of support. So that is why in my mind, the 585 to 550 mark is an important level from the support side of things in terms of, where the buyers are at. As far as more so the overarching level of support, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge more so the big picture overall health of the chart is just as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented there. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward, and the main level seems to be right around 715. Yes, I realize the price did temporarily have that little period of time where it got up above 715, but after the price fell back below it, it went right back to acting as resistance. And if you just look at kind of more so the number of data points, whole bunch of times they rejected it, and then even the final 30 minutes right there rejected it. So 715, like I said, is in my opinion, is more so the truer level of resistance going forward. So those are going to be the levels I'll be keeping an eye on tomorrow. But yeah, definitely a crazy start to the week. So let's see what the bulls still have in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.